Mastering viral mini AI worker videos. Have you ever wondered how AI-generated mini worker reels go viral on Instagram? They gain massive traction because they are visually engaging, unique, and loop perfectly on Instagram and TikTok. Why create them? They attract millions of views on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Many creators are monetizing these videos on YouTube and making huge money easily. You can create them 100% for free using AI tools. No video shooting required, just AI-generated content. Stay till the end to get the best results. Let's jump in. Step 1. Mastering the perfect AI prompts. A great AI prompt is key to generating top-tier results. Use the master prompt I provided in the description below to instantly generate high-quality AI images and videos using ChatGPT. Copy and paste the master prompt into ChatGPT to generate 10 to 20 variations. What makes a good AI prompt? Clear subject. Define exactly what you want, e.g., mini worker repairing a watch with tiny tools. Detailed description. Specify textures, lighting, environment, and mood. Correct aspect ratio. Use 9:16 for Instagram Reels and TikTok. Consistency. Maintain a similar style across different images for coherence. Step 2. Generating AI images. Once your prompt is ready, generate high-quality AI images. Method 1. Using Leonardo AI, visit Leonardo AI. Enable auto-enhancement and dynamic style for improved detail. Set the resolution to 9:16 for optimal quality. Click Generate. Repeat this process for generating all images. Step 3. Turning AI images into animated videos. Static images alone won't generate viral engagement. AI-generated motion is needed. Generate your video using Halo AI login or sign up for Halo AI. Upload your AI-generated image. Use the same prompt from Step 1 to maintain animation accuracy. Generate animation and review before downloading. Repeat the process for all images. Step 4. Editing and enhancing the video. AI-generated videos need additional editing for maximum impact. Recommended free editing tools. CapCut, best for adding text effects and transitions, or any other edit tools you have. Editing process using CapCut. Import all AI animated clips. Arrange clips in order based on the ChatGPT-generated storyline. Sync sound effects with animations for a cinematic feel. Add captions using bold, clear fonts at the top of the screen. Apply smooth transitions, e.g., black fade for dramatic cuts, 0.3 seconds duration for fast pacing. Adjust color. Increase saturation plus 10% for richer visuals. Add a vignette effect plus 20% for a cinematic look. Exporting settings for maximum quality. Resolution. 1080p format MP4. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and leave a comment. Subscribe for more AI content creation tips.